Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you can make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two dash cams that will capture every moment on the road. On the left side we have the Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K dash cam, and on the right side we have the DKK dash cam 1080p Full HD. Let's dive right into the comparisons. When it comes to video quality, the Vantrue N4 takes the lead with its stunning 4K resolution. It captures every little detail, making license plates and road signs crystal clear. Meanwhile, the DKK dashcam offers a respectable 1080p Full HD resolution, which still provides a clear view of the road. So, if you want that extra level of detail, the Vantrue N4 is the way to go. Now let's talk about coverage. The Vantrue N4 is a triple-channel dashcam, meaning it monitors the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle simultaneously. With its wide-angle lenses, you won't miss a thing. On the other hand, the DKK dashcam comes with a front camera and a waterproof rear camera, capturing all three lanes of the road. While it doesn't have an interior camera, it still offers great coverage for your safety. Driving at night? No problem. The Vantrue N4 features infrared night vision, ensuring clear footage even in complete darkness. Plus, it has IRLE lights that accurately capture the driver and passengers. The DKK dashcam also has night vision capabilities thanks to its WDR function that adjusts the brightness of the light. Both cameras will keep you covered during those nighttime adventures. Let's talk about parking mode. The Vantrue N4 offers a 24-hour parking mode with low bitrate recording, ensuring continuous footage. It also has motion and collision detection, automatically initiating recording when triggered. The DKK dashcam also has a parking monitor that senses and records short videos if your car is hit or scratched. So whether you choose the N4 or the DKK, your car will be protected even when you're not around. Now let's discuss installation. Both dashcams come with everything you need to get started. The Vantrue N4 includes a 20 feet rear camera cable that fits most cars, while the DKK dashcam comes with a suction cup and a 3-bracket for flexible placement. They've made it easy for even the most novice users to set up and install these cameras. The Vantrue N4 offers exceptional video quality and coverage, while the DKK dashcam provides great value for its price. And that wraps up our comparison between the Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K dashcam and the DKK dashcam 1080p Full HD. Both cameras have their unique features, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Remember, the Vantrue N4 offers exceptional video quality and coverage, while the DKK dashcam provides great value for its price. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.